Hello friends, my name is TaylorAnne and welcome to my Little Creative Life. Today I wanted to share with you the start to finish process for this floral chalk wall. Okay. That's my wine-fueled wisdom for today. Honey, hi, oh my gosh, what? I know. I thought instead I would give you a little bonus. Like that, it's gone. Here's what's left of our chalk mural. This is gonna wrap it up for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, guys, stay creative. If you guys would like to see the full process start to finish, I will have a link to this workshop in the description. This workshop is a Patreon exclusive, so if you would like to support this channel and other projects like this, please consider checking out my Patreon, where I have exclusives like this workshop, live streams, and printables. So thank you again. All the information will be in the description. And until I see you guys in the next video, stay creative.